What's going on, everybody? Bones here with CAJUN Hope you doing fine. Y'all know I'm making it. Today we're diving back into the memory banks. Back when I was a child and my parents had to feed 5 people off of a teacher's paycheck and disability. Yeah, not a lot of money to go pass around. But we made it do. Today we're doing up a Cajun pork loin. Take you step by step with what I'm going to do, and it's going to turn out great. Stick around, we're going to get right to it. Your ingredients for your Cajun pork loin: a pork loin, half or whole, doesn't matter, some yellow mustard, some Cajun injection Creole butter, doesn't matter which brand, and some Cajun seasoning. Brand does not matter, just some Cajun seasoning. We've taken the pork loin out of the cryovac, patted it dry. First things first, we're going to start off with that Creole butter. You want to just slowly put... Now we're going to go ahead and take that yellow mustard. Slather it all over. We're going to take our Cajun seasoning. Like I said, if you have any other brand of Cajun seasoning, go ahead. But like my parents used to run out of Cajun seasoning because my dad used to just use that exclusively. He kind of didn't believe in other seasonings, so he would make up his own. So in here we've got garlic, salt, black pepper, some paprika, basil, thyme, rosemary, a little bit of red pepper flakes, onion powder. Back then my dad would use an oven. This is similar to an oven. So we're going to use the Pit Boss Classic. We're going to turn it on, turn it to smoke. Let all that nasty white smoke at the beginning billow out. Don't want any of that in the food. Bring it right back once it's done. All that white smoke is exited out. We're going to go ahead and shut the grill top down. Turn it up to 225 degrees. Alright, grill is up to temp. We'll go ahead and put it on now. We also will put on the MeatStick X. Set up the cook. Smoke, pork, pork loin, proceed. We're at 122 degrees. Let's take a quick look. Oh, we're coming along beautifully. Just a little bit longer and we're going to be done. And we're done. All in all, it took about 3 hours to complete. Smells real good. Looks good. Let's go ahead and take off a little piece. Got a little bit of a smoke ring to it. That's all nice. Like I said, it smells real good. Great flavor. Definitely can taste that salt and garlic, paprika. all that herbs that I put in there. Great mouthfeel, nice and moist and juicy. So, definitely a win. If you like what I'm doing, you know what to do. Thank you and have a good day.